Hey, say mama. 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 Luca, can you do Where are you going? Luca. Look at Mama. Hey. Are you finished eating? No, Mommy has some good food for you. Yeah. Are you done? Oh my goodness. Yeah, that's your food. Yeah. Yummy. That's what goes into your belly. Yeah. Here. Luca can feed himself. Here, Luca. You want to feed yourself? Here, Luca. Mmm. That's a spoon. Oh, it fell. Are you going to put it in your mouth? Mmm. That's a spoon. Here, you can put it in your mouth. Look, it's a potato. Mmm, yummy. You have to chew it. Chew the potato. Here, I don't know what this is. Something. Yeah. I think it's a bean, a snow pea. Here, Luca, here's another potato. Luca, look. Potato. But you have to chew. Hey, hey. Looky, pooky, pudding in a pie. Is it good? Do you want another little piece? Here, Luca, look. Say, Mommy will try to get you to eat any way she can. Because Luca is not a good eater. Here, Luca. Here, Luca. Open up. Mmm. Luca. Luca. Look. Looky. Hey. Can you do your little Indian call? Luca. Here's another potato. You have to really chew. That's a big piece. Yep. Chew, chew, chew. Mommy has to dig through the bowl. Okay. Here. Mommy has to feed you whatever way she can. Okay, here. Oh, those teeth are sharp. Luca, say mama, mama. Where's your mama? Mama. No, mama. Mama. Hey, can you say bye-bye? Luca, bye-bye. 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 Alright, you're going to choke yourself with a spoon like that. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Yeah, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Yeah, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay. Bye-bye. Mommy's gonna turn it off now. Say bye-bye. Yeah, bye-bye. Say see you soon. Say okay. Bye-bye.